Good morning dear students, welcome to math video class. In this video, we are going to continue chapter 12 ratio and proportion. This is part 3 video. In last video session, I have given exercise 12.1 question number 14 as homework. Shall we discuss the answer now? Yes. First, divide 20 pence between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio of 3:2. First, you have to write the given ratio. Your given ratio is 3:2. Next, you have to find the sum of ratio. So, sum of ratio 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Next, we are going to find part of a share. Total number of pence is 20 and your sum of ratio is 5. 20 divided by 5, you will get answer as 4. So, part of share is 4. Next, we are going to find Sheila's share. Your given ratio is 3:2. So, the ratio 3 is for Sheila and 2 is for Sangeeta, right? So, for Sheila's share, first you have to write 3 and part of share is 4. So, 3 4s are 12. And next, for finding Sangeeta's share, Sangeeta's ratio is 2 and part of share is 4. You will get answer as 8. For checking, you have to add Sheila's share and Sangeeta's share. So, 12 plus 8, you will get answer as 20. In previous class, we have discussed how to find ratio, right? Shall we recall now? Now, we are going to find ratio for a dozen to score. Already you know 1 dozen means 12 items, right? Like that, 1 score means 20 items. Now we are going to find ratio. First step, you have to write as fraction, right? So 12 by 20. Both 12 and 20 will divisible by 2. So you will get 6 by 10. Next, again 6 and 10 both will divisible by 2. You will get answer as 3 by 5. So, a record ratio is 3:5. A dozen to score, the ratio is 3:5. Let's see one more example. 500 milliliter to 2 liters. For finding ratio, that unit should be same, right? Here you are having milliliter and liter. So first I am going to convert the liters into milliliter. Already have studied 1 liter which is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2 liters means which is equal to 2000 milliliter. Now we are going to find ratio for 500 milliliter and 2000 milliliter. First step you have to write as fraction. So 500 divided by 2000. So shall I cancel the zeros? 2 0 and 2 zeros cancel it. Next you are having 5 by 20. Both will divisible by 5, right? So you will get answer as 1 by 4 which is equal to the ratio 1:4. So 500 ml to 2 liters which is equal to the ratio 1:4. Next, in exercise 12.1, fifth question, you have to find the value of the boxes. 15 by 18, you have to find the numerator divided by 6. Next, 10 divided by, you have to find the denominator. And next, you have to find the numerator is divided by 30, right? So, first step, I don't know the value of the boxes, right? So, I replaced by variables x, y and z. We can replace any variables. Next, first I am going to find the x value. So, I am going to compare these two fractions. Already you have studied how to find numerator or denominator in fraction chapter, right? Same steps only we are going to apply here. 15 divided by 18 and x by 6. You have to do cross multiplication. So 15 into 6 equal to x into 18. So 15 6 are 90. This is equal to x into 18. So 18x. Now you have to find the x value. So x equal to 90 divided by 18. So 19 divided by 18. 19 and 18 will divisible by 9. Yes. So you will get 10 by 2. Next 10 and 2 both will divide by 2. Right. So 5 by 1. So your x value is 5. Substitute the x value. So 5 by 6 equal to 10 by y. Now you have to find the y value. For finding y value, you have to compare these two fractions, 5 by 6 and 10 by y. You have to do cross multiplication. You will get 5 into y, which is equal to 10 into 6. So 5 into y, 5y. Next 10 into 6 is 60. Now you have to find y value. So 60 divided by 5. 60 and 5 both will divisible by 12. So you'll get, divisible by 5. So you'll get answer as 12 by 1. So your y value is 12. Already we have find the value of x and value of y, right? Value of x is 5 and value of y is 12. Now we have to find the value of z. For finding value of z, you have to compare these two fractions, 10 by 12 and z by 30. You have to do cross multiplication. 10 into 30, which is equal to z into 12. 10 into 30, you will get answer as 300. Next, z into 12, you will get answer as 12z. Right? Now you have to find the value of z. So z equal to 300 divided by 12. 312 both will divisible by 6. Yes. So you will get answer as 50 by 2. Next 30 and 2 both will divisible by 2. Right. So your z value is 25. You have to substitute the x and y and z value in the questions. Your x value is 5 and y value is 12 and z value is 25. Next one, in exercise 12.1, 13th question, consider the statement, the ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadth and length of the hall. You have to find the missing values. 10 by 25. Next, you have to find the numerator. Then divided by 50, which is equal to 40 by, you have to find the denominator. First step, I don't know the values of the boxes, so I have to replace it by variable. Here I used variable x and y. You have to replace it by variable x and y, right? Now I am going to find the x value. For finding x value, you have to compare these two fractions, 10 by 25. This is equal to x by 50. For finding x value, I am going to do cross multiplication. So, you will get 50 into 10. This is equal to x into 25. 50 into 10 is 500. Next, x into 25 is 25x. Next, you have to find the x value, right? So, x value is 500 divided by 25. Both will divisible by 25, right? You will get answer as 20. So your x value is 20. Your x value is 20. Now you have to find the y value. For finding y value, you have to compare these two fractions. So 20 divided by 50 equal to 40 by y. Do cross multiplication. So 20 into y is equal to 40 into 50. So 20 into y is 20y. This is equal to 40 into 50 is 4 5s are 20. You'll get answer as 2000. Next, y equal to 2000 divided by 20. So y equal to 0 and 0 cancel it. Next, 200 divided by 2, you will get answer as 100. So your y value is 100. So your x value is 20 and y value is 100. Let's see one more example for finding values. Let's consider this example. Here you have to find the three values, right? First step, you have to replace it by variable. Here I used variables a, b and c. First you have to find a value. For finding a value, you have to compare 14 divided by 21 and a by 3. Do cross multiplication. So 14 into 3, which is equal to 21 into a. Next, 14 into 3 you will get 42. 21 into a is 21a. Now we have to find a value. A, so 42 divided by 21. So a equal to 2. If you divide 42 divided by 21, you will get answer as 2. So your a value is 2. Your a value is 2, right? Now you have to find the value of b. For finding b value, you have to compare these two fractions. So 2 by 3 and 6 by b. To cross multiplication, 2 into b equal 6 into 3. 2 into b, you will get answer as 2b. Next 6 into 3 is 18. So b equal to 18 divided by 2. 18 and 2 both will divisible by 2. You will get answer as 9. So your b value is 9. We have found the value of a and b. A is 2 and b is 9. Now we are going to find the c value. For finding c value, you have to compare these two fractions. So 6 by 9 is equal to 24 by c, right? So do cross multiplication. 6 into c is equal to 24 into 9. 6 into c is 6c. 24 into 9 is 216. Now you have to find c value. So 216 divided by 6. If you divide means you will get answer as 36. Your c value is 36. Your a is 3 and b is 9 and c is 36. That's it, students. We completed our today's session. Copy all these sums in your math classwork. After completing your classwork, take clear photo and send to edistar.6@gmail.com. Chapter 12, exercise 12.1, they have given many example sums and as well as in exercise also you are having many word problems. Practice it yourself. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you, students.